Quick question. When was the last time you did something that scared you a little? There is an expedition in Ladakh that is literally 3 expeditions rolled into one. A proper Himalayan valley trek, an actual peak climb, and one of the highest mountain passes in the entire country. This is Kangyatse 2, a semi-technical expedition sitting deep inside the Hemis National Park, the largest national park in India. One of the only alternatives to Stoke Kangri that takes you into actual mountaineering. You learn everything from roping up techniques to how to use crampons, boots and ice axes. On this trail, you are crossing ice-cold glacial rivers on foot. The landscape changes every few kilometers, from high-altitude deserts to moraines to actual glaciers. It genuinely feels like walking 3 different countries in the same day. Base camp at 5,100 meters. You leave in the midnight, in the cold, pitch darkness, roped up with your team, and for 12 hours straight, you pushed to the summit. And when the sun finally comes up over that ridge, you get to see the entire Karakoram and Zanskar range lit up in yellow. If you're lucky enough, you get to witness the Mount K2, the second highest mountain peak on the entire planet. From inside India. Yes, I didn't knew this was possible. And to top it all off, the whole way down, you are walking the old Silk Route, the same trails that traders and monks walked for centuries. There are Mani stones on the path, rock with Sanskrit prayers carved by hand, monasteries carved directly into cliff faces, not near the cliffs, into them. At some point on this expedition, and I can't tell you when, you stop taking photos for a minute and you just stand there because you realize this is a story, the one you will still be telling in 10 years. This is not for everyone. This is brutal, real and difficult. There will be days on the trail where you question this decision, and that's exactly why it's worth it. If you have been looking for where to actually start in mountaineering, the one that pushes your physical and mental limits, this is it. Stop waiting for that sign. Apply for that leave right now. Comment KY2 and I will personally send you everything over to you. Upcoming batches, cost, what to train for, what to carry. And for more such stories, follow Wicked Adventures right now.